This is Mina Barsoom with CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I want to go through some troubleshooting steps when we end up with proposals that may not be ideal. So as you can see on the screen here, there's obviously a problem with this proposal. It's penetrating into the opposing dentition. Even though there's plenty of reduction and space in there, for some reason the software decided to create this unusual looking crown. So one of the things I typically do when I troubleshoot is I'm going to go back to the model phase, specifically the edit model step. And what I'm going to do is take my cut tool and trim away any excessive artifacts from my scan. Sometimes when you're scanning, if you catch too much of the lip or cheek or tongue, it can end up remaining in the model. And a lot of that data and information can actually create confusion for the software when it comes to designing the biogeneric crown. So I'm simply going to use the cut tool to trim away all those excessive artifacts, and I will do this on both arches. So even though on this lower arch I'm far away from where the restoration is going to be, I still want to keep a nice clean model to make sure that when the proposal is calculated, everything comes out correctly. So this only takes a few seconds. I'll just go in here and trim everything away. The other thing I'm going to want to do is verify that my model axis was set correctly. Sometimes that automated step could end up causing an issue with the way it's positioned in the proposal. In this case, just a small tweak to get it back into the arch. And then I'll also check my insertion axis to make sure that I don't have anything that's going to interfere with the seating of the restoration. So that all looks good. Now I'll go back to the design phase, and now I'm going to wait for a new proposal. And I expect after making those small adjustments and changes, I should have a much better initial proposal. And as you can see, just some small occlusal adjustments I need to make here to get it to fit within the arch, but much, much better than what we had before. So hopefully this small tip to edit your model and clean up the artifacts is helpful. We look forward to seeing you again soon in future videos. Take care.